Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make green plantain akara. Yes, in the north where I was born, Nigeria precisely, it is called kose. Today we are going to be making akara with plantain, green plantain. Did you see that? Would you tell it's not made with beans? No. So if you're interested to learn, please keep watching. If you're new here, please hit that button for me and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need green plantain and you're going to need 3. But if you want to make more, you can increase the plantain. But before you start peeling the plantain, you have to wash. I did that off camera to save time. So next, with a sharp knife, I'm going to trim the head and the bottom part of it. You don't need that, that's going straight to the bin. Then next, you want to run your knife through the plantain for easy peeling. You have to do this. If not, you're going to find it difficult to peel the green plantain. It's not like the ripe plantain. This is green plantain and the skin is very tough. So once you've done that, you can use the knife to peel the skin of the plantain, but when you're using your knife, you have to be very careful. You can also use your hands, your fingers, whichever one is easy for you to peel the skin of the plantain. You can use your fingers, you can use your knife, anyone that you feel comfortable doing. I use both of it. You can see me using both of it. I use the knife. Sometimes I just use my fingers, then I peel it off. Green plantain is a little bit tricky when peeling off the skin. You just require a little bit of technique and patience. By the time you just peel off the skin of the plantain. Watch me doing it. You see, it's a bit tricky, but when you get used to it, it becomes easy. So this is one green plantain ready. I'm going to peel the rest off camera to save time. Next is to cut the green plantain into small sizes for easy blending. Once you've cut all the plantain into small sizes, the next step is to transfer to a blender or food processor. To be honest, food processor is the best for this, but I do not have that. So I'm going to be using my blender. Now I'm adding scotch bonnet 1, then add sweet pepper 1. This is frozen one. Add some onion, then add some water. Small amount of water, you don't want to add too much, just enough for you to blend the plantain. After that, cover with the lid and blend until smooth. I would advise that you blend 3 times to achieve a very smooth consistency and also to incorporate air into the blending. After blending the plantain, this is what you're going to get, a very smooth consistency. The next step is to transfer to a clean bowl or a clean glass bowl. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, then mix together until it's well combined. Remember, depending on the quantity you're making, if you're going to add more plantain, then you need to increase your salt and seasoning. While mixing, you're going to see the consistency. This is not runny. Please remember this when you're blending. You can see it's not dropping on the spatula, except I shake the spatula before it drops. It is not runny. It is thick, but not too thick. That's why I say if you have a food processor, please use it. It's the best for this. You don't need to add water when blending in the food processor. But when you're using blender, you have to be very careful. And if you notice, I blend it twice with my blender because I have a small blender. Next step is to fry the plantain akara. To do that, you're going to place your pan in a hot heat, medium-high heat. Then add vegetable oil at least 5 inches high. And you want to allow this oil heat up for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil is hot, the next step is to take a clean spoon and scoop in the grinded plantain akara. Please remember not to overcrowd your fry pan, because if you do, your plantain akara is going to soak up oil and you don't want that. When frying plantain akara, you don't want to walk away from it, because in the next 8 minutes you want to flip over and continue frying until it turns golden brown. It takes between 18 to 20 minutes on a medium high. You don't want to fry this on a high heat, because if you do, the outside will be cooked and the inside will be raw. That's not good for akara. After 8 minutes, flip over and continue frying. Fry until it's golden brown. After frying your plantain akara for at least 18 to 20 minutes, you're going to get this golden brown, beautiful, and it's ready to scoop out. But before you scoop out, you want to place a kitchen towel on a plate to soak up the excess oil. Very important. Then you can now scoop out your plantain akara. And as you can see, it is golden brown. It tastes so delicious, yummy. If you've not tried plantain akara before, please do so. You're going to love it. It tastes so delicious. To save time, I fried the rest off camera and I'm going to show you the final result. Did you see that? Soft, fluffy, delicious. You can't even tell that it's not made with beans. It tastes so nice, so delicious. Please let me know, which akara do you prefer? Plantain akara or beans akara? Or how do you even make your own plantain akara? I would love to know. I'm going to link a video on how to make akara with beans. It's going to be on the description box, so please check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you're just passing by, welcome to Continental Food and Cake TV. Please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. As I said before, please check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.